Any video that contains music may include information about the song or songs in the video. Song information can be added automatically to some videos if the video has been identified and claimed by music rights holders. For example, you may see "Licensed to YouTube by" under the Music in this video section. Basically, this means music rights holders have agreed with YouTube to allow YouTube to use identified music in videos. This also means that these music rights holders can choose to earn a share of the revenue. We don't always display song information in video descriptions. For example, we wouldn't show this information if the music hasn't been identified yet, or if we haven't received enough data from a label or a publishing partner. If you're an artist and want to learn how to get your song information into YouTube, please check out the link in this video's description. And that's it! Subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.